You've asked, so we're going to answer. We've been scouring the comment sections, gathering together some of the most common questions that we've seen, and we're going to answer them for you. Hi, I'm Steve. Welcome to the Home Solutions channel. From cost to which material to use to how long is it going to take, there's been lots of questions that have been pouring in about concrete coatings. So today we're going to take a look at a few of the favorite ones that have come in and we're going to answer them for you. But before we get to that, if you want more great content like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can be informed and ready for your next home renovation project. All right, let's look at some of the questions. First one. Could you get more than 15 years with a basement application of polyurea? Yeah, you could get more than 15 years with a basement application of polyurea. We see longer than 15 years quite a bit. A lot of it is going to depend on how your concrete does. If your house is continuing to move and settle, again, that's not going to be a product failure with the polyurea or the polyaspartic. That's going to be an issue with your concrete moving. But if your concrete is settled and your house isn't moving much at all, and as long as you maintain it like you need to, just clean it every once in a while, you shouldn't have any problem at all getting more than 15 years in a basement. All right, let's look at another question. Why am I paying for durability and longevity? That's a good question. So in order to make products that are going to last a long time and are going to be durable, the chemicals and the process involved there are more costly than what it takes to manufacture a cheaper product that's not going to last very long. Let's compare this to a car world. If you were going to buy a car and you were told it was only going to last 20,000 miles before it quit on you, versus a car that could run 100 to 200,000 miles for you, which car do you think is going to cost more and is going to be more expensive? The one that's going to run longer and last longer because it's going to have better parts, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, to it. So when we use the phrase that you end up paying for durability and longevity, that's part of the whole package. The proper installation package, the right materials being used, and top quality materials and installation process being used are what give you that durability. But that all raises the level of your investment when you're looking at your project. So that's why we talk about paying for durability and longevity. All right, this is a good question. We get this one quite a bit. Polyaspartic versus polyurea, which one is better? That's a really good question. So let's start with polyurea. So polyurea is actually a subset of polyurethane. It's a type of polyurethane. We use polyurea on the base coat because it has an incredible bond with the concrete, but it has a really fast curing time as well. So we'll use polyurea for the base coat, but then we'll move to a polyaspartic, which is also a subset of polyurea. So they're all in the same family. They just have a few different characteristics to them. Polyaspartics are UV stable, which is why we want to use that as your top coat. It also has a little bit longer pot time or working time for our installers, so it allows them to be able to put down the product in a nice smooth way without it curing too fast on them. And then it also has a nice high gloss finish, so it gives you a really beautiful looking floor. So those are the big differences between a polyurea and a polyaspartic. Thanks for your comments, and please keep the questions coming, because the more questions you ask, we get to answer them, and it may give somebody else some help along the way as well with their project. If you want more information on a concrete coating, check out the description below. Download our Concrete Coating Ultimate Buyer's Guide. And I just want to, as always, say thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want to give you the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.